Gateway 45, Station 240, Station 230, Station 212, Station 160, Ladder 101, respond. Commercial structure fire, 2769 Cameron's Road, Cameron Sawmill, Buffington Township, fire up 7.
60 units, sending fire department to a commercial structure fire in Buffington Township.
Ladder 101, Team 900 respond. 2769 Cameron's Road, Buffington Township, fire up 7. Gateway 45, Station 240, Station 230, Station 210, Station 160, Ladder 101, Team 900 respond. Commercial structure fire, 2769 Cameron's Road, Buffington Township, fire up 7.
Indiana County 160 Assistant 1.
160 Assistant 1.
I'll be en route.
160 Assistant 1, you're en route. Commercial structure fire, 2769 Cameron's Road, Buffington Township, Cameron Sawmill. Call reporting sawmills on fire, full of smoke, no visible fire at this time. You're responding 0315.
County 160 Lieutenant en route to station. Station 210, acknowledging call. County 230 Chief responding.
Station 210, you're acknowledging commercial structure fire, 2769 Cameron's Road, Buffington Township, Cameron Sawmill. Call reporting sawmills on fire, full of smoke, no visible fire at this time. You're acknowledging 0315, 230 Chief, you're responding commercial structure fire, 2769 Cameron's Road. You copy details.
County 160 Assistant 2 en route, switching to op 7. 160 Assistant 2, 0316. Indiana County 240 Chief.
240 Chief.
County acknowledging commercial structure fire en route to my station.
You're acknowledging commercial structure fire, 2769 Cameron's Road, Buffington Township, Cameron Sawmill. Call reporting sawmills on fire, full of smoke, no visible fire at this time. You're acknowledging 0317. 100 Central, you're acknowledging commercial structure fire, 2769 Cameron's Road, Buffington Township, Cameron Sawmill. Call reporting sawmill on fire, full of smoke, no visible fire at this time. You're acknowledging 0317. Station 100, you're being activated for your ladder 101.
230 Captain 1 responding.
18.
349 25.2, 349 25.2. Indiana County Station 230.
Station 230.
Acknowledging the call.
Station 230, you're acknowledging commercial structure fire, 2769 Cameron's Road, Buffington Township, Cameron Sawmill. Call reporting sawmills on fire, full of smoke, no visible fire at this time. You're acknowledging 0319.
County Engine 161 en route.
161, you're en route. 0320.
Indiana County Engine 241.
Engine 241.
241 en route with 6.
Engine 241, you're en route. 0320, switch to fire up 7.
County 230 Chief on scene.
230 Chief on scene. 0322.
County Engine 161, can I clarify directions, please?
161, Route 56 to Route 259, towards Yellow Creek to Cameron's Road.
County Engine 161, copy, thank you. Indiana County 230 Chief.
230 Chief.
I'm on scene and nothing short right now. This is smoke.
Receipt 0324.
Indiana County Ladder 106. County Ladder 106 to Route 5.
Ladder 106, en route 0324.
161 from Station 160. Station 160. Hey, buddy, where you want? What else you want? Just right here.
Anchor 212.
212's en route with 4.
Anchor 212, en route 0325.
IP 29, 10 miles in your rate. Yeah. 29.6, 29.6. IP 480. 243. 243 responding with 5, 3 masks, 240 Chief on board.
243 en route 0326.
Yeah, County 230 Chief.
230 Chief.
And we own this big door up on the mill inside, and we have a small fire inside. All personnel coming in will need mask people to go inside.
Receipt 0327.
4-1. 230 Chief. We're breaking campground road. What are your orders for this unit? The first unit coming in, he's in behind my pickup truck. Hey, mask people go inside. Just take a line in. I can see burdens in there. Where's the first unit at? Anybody coming up Cameron Road yet? 230 Chief, 241, and your engine are both on Cameron Road right now. You guys come in, come up around the sawmill on the top side. You'll see my pickup. Pull in behind me, and I need masked people to go inside with a line. I can see the burns in there. It's getting bigger. Indiana County Utility 163 en route.
Utility 163 en route 0330.
241, you guys ready for water? Tanker 212, engine 241. Tanker 212, engine 241.
Indiana County Utility 163.
Utility 163.
What's the best way to get into Cameron Lumber off of 259?
Cameron's Road.
Copy. Are you there yet? Just getting here now. And we're about a mile out. Alright. Out for the 6. Good, but and put a flare in the roadway. It goes back to this place. Stop right there. Room back here. Come on back. Indiana County Line 106.
Ladder 106 on scene. 0343. Push fire 7.
I put it right in there for a second. Stop block the entrance. Let me see where we can put it up. It's
Good.
they're saying they got the fire out underneath the apparatus. Go bring your crew to pick up. Take a peek.
Indiana County Utility 163 on scene.
Utility 163 on scene. 0348. Push fire 7.
Hey, come up to the pickup truck that's right there nearest the entrance. Let's come in. Meet you there.
Indiana County 915.
915.
915, Rob.
360355.
Indiana County 915.
915.
County, what off channel is Brush Valley operating on?
Fire off 7.
Off 7, that's received. Indiana County, line 16 copies. Holding for a crew.
Received. 0414.
Indiana County 915.
915.
They're released by 230 Chief. In service returning.
915 in service returning. 0415.
Sister 1 from 6. Sister 106.
Station 180 respond. Stand by. In the station 230. Station 180. Station
180 System 1 County.
180 System 1.
I'm in
180 System 1. You're en route. Fire standby. Into station 230. You're en route 0421.
212, engine 241.
Station 180 County.
Station 180.
180 knowledge.
Station 180. Switch to 506.
Indiana County engine 182.
Engine 182.
So it's en route to 230 for standby.
Engine 182 en route 0430.
240 Chief 241. 41.
Do you guys need any help up there?
Negative, you can return and start putting that back together.
That's received.
Hey, good, you guys go ahead and return. Chief, you see you want to break down this mill site and return?
Indiana County, 230 command.
230 command.
Calls complete. All 230 units return to station. Back in service.
RQ 230 units. Sound clear returning. 0447.
230 Chief from Air 166. We free to go then?
Okay, you guys are ready.
That's received, thank you, sir. Indiana County, 160 Assistant 1 on off 7.
160 Assistant 1.
County, all 160 units are going to be assigned to complete return to station.
160 units. Sound clear returning. 0448.